All right, everyone, welcome to another episode of FOMO Hour. Today is Friday, August 29th, 2025. Folks, we were feeling good last night. We were feeling real good. Great close on Bitcoin. We thought we were above a key level, then we dumped all night. The dumping continues this morning, and now we are asking, is it over again? We're going to break it all down on today's show. We have Baroque in the house, live mid-wedding festivities. Baroque, GM, how you doing?
Dude, we're cheers first and foremost, Tyler.
Cheers.
I'm sipping on some 15-year-old wine from Montenegro. I couldn't read the label. I put on ChatGPT, and apparently it's from Montenegro. It's one of the better Balkan wines. So shout out to my Balkan people. I'm in the middle of a wedding. Not an actual wedding. It's tomorrow. But the family gathering. I'm unlocking new cousins I didn't know existed. Because you know my people, right? It's like, that's your cousin, that's your cousin. I thought that was a stereotype. It's real. So I'm like, yo, this is your cousin. I'm like, what do you mean? And then we look it up, like, oh, you're a second cousin, third cousin. So there's like 80 people downstairs. But it's good. I get to take a break, come talk about my bags being lower, and super fun break. But everything's good though. It's sunny.
Good. I mean, it's a nice weekend to enjoy time with others and get away from these prices because they are not they are not that much fun. But we'll talk about. We're gonna do a quicker show this morning, folks. It is a holiday weekend. Folks drinking 15-year-old Montenegrin wine. My daughter's birthday weekend. We've got family coming in town.
No way! Happy birthday!
Yeah, thank you. September 1st. So we will be
Virgo, baby. Let's go.
Indeed. Oh yeah, maybe I'll have time to pull up our crypto astrology report here for today as well. We'll see if we can fit that in. It's an interesting day. A couple of big pieces of news. We had the U.S. Commerce Department dropping GDP data on chain. We knew they were going to do it. They actually started doing it. That was a big one. We saw some huge action in the market coming off the back of that. And then the CFTC came out and said they're going to pave the way for U.S. users to be able to use all the foreign crypto exchanges. So the barriers are coming down. Those are the two big pieces of news. A few runners. The market's bleeding. We'll get into all of that here in just a minute. Some shout outs to our partners. First up, Wallet Connect. Wallet Connect is the connectivity network shaping the future of on-chain UX. If you've connected to a Web3 app, you've seen Wallet Connect. That blue logo, it's everywhere. An icon of trust in crypto, as recognizable as Visa at the checkout. If you want to learn more, follow at Wallet Connect on X and Telegram to stay ahead of what's next. And Kraken Pro gives active traders exactly what they need: deep liquidity, full customization, and 350 plus trading pairs. Build your own layout with drag and drop modules and trade seamlessly across desktop or mobile. Go to pro.kraken.com and trade without trade-offs. All right, we love our partners as always. Oh, and YEET, we had the code. No, it's so over. Is that the code today? Very, very fitting.
Is that the code really? Is the code? So wait, 2 days ago the code, like, we're so back, and now the code is. Oh, it's Friday.
It's Friday. Okay, the code is Friday. Producer Charlie is playing tricks on us here, but the code matters because it's Fartcoin Friday, folks. You know what that means? We're playing some coin race, double coin race action. I believe one for a lucky winner today, and then one for a sub. Is that right?
That's right. And I know the sub already, but I'm going to wait till the end of the show. Sims and Charlie ran it on ChatGPT. So it's basically like we're giving a number between 0 and whatever amount of subs. And they got one. We're going to start bringing it on stream, but we already got that winner. But then we'll wait. But Tyler, I know you're leading today, but why don't I play your jingle so we can get your topics? I know we haven't been able to the last couple of days, but let's get there.
Daily NFT and crypto analysis. Tyler D on FOMO Hour cause the kid can't miss.
Ready to bash some bears. Yeah, let's do this here, folks. All right, taking a look at the board. Rough start. Bitcoin down 4%, 108.8. So we lost to 109. You really don't like to see that. ETH down 6%, 42.90. Sol, let's see, down 2%. So still hanging out well over 200. Sol, the clear winner of the week at 208, but down from local highs. Taking a look at stocks. Yeah, stocks retreating, but I mean, stocks hit all-time highs again yesterday. I think NVIDIA is down 3% today. That's driving some markets lower a little bit, but I'm not a huge down move by any means. The Dow's down 0.5%. Nasdaq's down 1.2%. We had the PCE come in this morning in line with the expectations. All numbers, I believe, were exactly in line. I think the super core PCE, whatever that metric is, was slightly high, but also tied to financial services inflation, which feels like a lower impact factor there. Target CME rate cut odds for September still hanging out at 87%. So those are unchanged. So rate cut odds unchanged from the PCE data. A bit unclear to me why we are selling off so much here this morning. I think perhaps just a long weekend volatility, perhaps some ghost month action. I talked about ghost month. I warned everyone about ghost month. I didn't want it to be true, but it is indeed playing out like a bit of a spooky month. I think we gave an intro to some of the big headlines. Arguably the biggest, U.S. Commerce Department putting GDP data on the blockchain. They're going to put this on 9 different blockchains. Bitcoin, ETH, and Sol are among them. They're using Oracle providers Chainlink and Pyth. To get the data. Real quick, some of the data pieces that they're going to be putting on chain: real GDP, PCE price index, real final sales. This is going to happen monthly or quarterly. Publishing to Arbitrum, AVAX, Base, ETH, Linea, Mantle, Optimism, Sonic, ZK.
Jesus.
So that they're really pushing this out. Pyth was the clear winner. Pyth was up 100% at one point.
Dude.
Yeah, 100% basically. It's now up.
These guys
90%
are killing it.
So
Wow.
anyone who knew that Pyth this was going to be happening had a nice day. Let's just put it that way. I'm not sure if anyone did, but Pyth holders are euphoric. The other big piece of news was out of the CFTC, and Andre Bagansky covered this nicely for Decrypt for us. But they're going to start allowing U.S. citizens to trade on Binance and other foreign crypto exchanges. They're basically putting out a regulatory framework, removing some of the hurdles that previously had blocked these exchanges from operating in the U.S. They're making a pathway for these companies to operate legally in the U.S. So it is big news. Binance effectively is coming to the U.S. I've already seen the takes that is bad for Hyperliquid. I personally have not had a chance to really dig into that myself and really think through the situation. The market did not like it. Hype down 9% on the day. So down more than crypto majors. It had just come off hitting all-time high. I think perhaps a little bit too early to get too spooked about that, but certainly something to be aware of for that trade. Other than that, the other big headline was out of the Trump family. American Bitcoin eyeing their Nasdaq debut in September. So they are going to merge with this Bitcoin mining company, Gryphon Digital Mining. So they are going to do that and then move forward with this hybrid Bitcoin mining, Bitcoin treasury company. So that's going to be a big event coming up in September. That was really it. I mean, those were the big headlines. I'll go through the rest of my minutes to see what else jumped out. JP Morgan said Bitcoin undervalued compared to gold right now as Bitcoin volatility hits record lows. We have USDT coming to Bitcoin via this RGB layer 2. Tom Lee's Bitminer, he's been busy, folks. He's already bought, since the Monday report, they bought another 79,000 ETH. And they've got $775 million in cash on hand. So they're still buying. Cope, we talked about this a little bit yesterday. Cope continued its run. It basically did 100x in a day. So it bonded on Wednesday, and then yesterday it hit 10 million. So it was well below a 100K market cap before it bonded, and then went straight to 10, hit 15 at peak. It's been a bit volatile since then, unsurprisingly, with the broader macro sell-off. In token airdrop and protocol news, Solana validators are starting a vote on Alpenglow, the consensus upgrade here, potentially coming this fall. In airdrop news, CyberKongs, this was a big one. I'll try to pull this one up for us. CyberKongs is doing a 2% airdrop to OpenSea power users. So basically anyone who's done $10,000 in ETH NFT trading volume since 2023 is going to have their share at 2% of their upcoming Kong token. So that caught some folks' attention here this morning. Ravi Wallet teasing a Hyperliquid integration. So Hyperliquid going deeper into all these different wallet providers. Phantom, of course, was their first. And then XPL was the other big winner of the day. So this one just recently went through that short squeeze, or the short exploit rather. But then it's just been grinding up. So it had that huge short blowout where it 3x from 60 cents to $1.80, went all the way back to 60 cents. And since then, it's just been grinding up so another 50%. It's at 92 cents. That's a $9.2 billion FDV for this plasma stablecoin chain. So it's getting up there. That is an interesting valuation for sure. And that's pretty much the roundup of the news there. So an interesting day. Farouk, I'm not sure really what jumps out to you. Curious for your thoughts. I mean, certainly this Bitcoin price action.
Yeah, I don't know why we're dumping on positive news and PC in line. So obviously that's not the best thing. And our leading indicator is getting decimated, aka my net worth. And so I'm not too sure. You said, am I bugging? I should turn my camera off, right?
It might have been me. I think we're good. Yeah.
No, I think it was me. So I'm not sure what there is to be bearish about. But you guys know me. I'm very bullish all the time. But I'm not an idiot either, right? I do think I can read the market a little bit here and there. There's my boy. Just when I need him, he's here.
There he
My
is.
boy. Just when I need him. There he is. Hi, man.
Hey, gents. How we doing?
Guten Tag.
Several glasses deep in 15-year-old Montenegrin wine.
Yeah, I'm drinking. Have you ever had wine from Montenegro?
No.
My mom pulls up. She's like, I just found this bottle in the cellar. And I'm like, what the fuck is this? I can't read it. And I fed it to ChatGPT, and they were saying it's from Montenegro. It's not bad. Balkan wine. First time.
Balkan wines. That's niche. That's definitely.
I mean, isn't Slovenia home of the oldest wine in the world?
I think sure. Slovenia is basically used to be part of Italy, right?
Yeah, but it's kind of Balkan.
Large bits of it used to be part of the Venetian Empire, I think. So
very niche for a Persian wedding. Mando, why are we dumping? PCs.
I was actually on meetings all just up until now.
It's not great.
Yeah, we're not doing too well. PC looked in line, right?
Yeah,
PC was in line.
And what happened with what's happened with stocks?
Stocks are down. Nasdaq's down 1.2%. I think Nvidia is down 3%. So it is a red day for stocks.
Okay. I don't know. Feels like one of those classic Fridays. This market doesn't scare me. I'd moved a lot into Bitcoin. This morning, I moved some more ETH into Bitcoin. I've kept my LINK and I kept my Bitcoin. ETH is now a much smaller bit of my portfolio, but I'm not worried by this market.
That's what I was kind of saying before Mando came, right? It's feeling similar. It's like, I don't get it.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't feel like, unless I think the market's just
tired, seasonal.
Freaking out. Everyone just loves to freak out. What is it? Oh, the chart's broken.
I'm more like, the main take I'm reading on the timeline right now is charts look bad, which they kind of do. Alts were looking they were all looking good, but Bitcoin didn't, and Bitcoin kind of broke down, which led all the alts to break down. We have bullish news yesterday, and Tyler, you should go over that again after, but it's like a barrage of bullish news. Even this morning, PC's in line, and we're still dumping. So I don't know, but I don't know.
I'm gonna make a prediction here, right? Bitcoin all-time high by October, even. Like in October,
ooh, baby. We like that one.
Stop freaking out. Buy Bitcoin. Stop owning trash. ETH is 15% off all-time high. Bitcoin is 15% off all-time high. And Solana is trading well. Like, it just feels like market wants to freak out. And everyone's really happy for it to freak out. Like, just buy JLP. What's JLP? JLP is down 1% today.
What a coin.
What a coin.
What have you been doing?
If you listen to the show, which I don't, you would be up a lot.
JLP is down 1.5%, guys.
It's up 3% on the week, which is outperforming Bitcoin and ETH because of our performance. Yeah.
Yeah, just people need to learn to chill a little bit in crypto. I think Bitcoin will bounce back. I don't know why it would be going up.
I'm with you. Just on a more serious note, quickly, we joke about near-term price action, and I don't know what's driving hour-by-hour price action by any means, but we've got some seriously bullish news. I talked a little bit about the GDP on-chain news. But I think the fact that they've implemented it so quickly, I talked about how it's a win for the government and for U.S. citizens because there's more transparency. But I think there's another piece of this where it's just another signal of biggest players in the world, powers in the world moving to the blockchain and using real blockchain utility, right? So this is unlocking transparency. It's unlocking composability. There's a lot of use cases that prediction markets can tap into. With some of this economic data, we were talking about these different markets. Now you can have like a real verifiable source across all these different blockchains. And it's just another signal of it. It's serious to me. And I think it is really bullish, big picture news. And I'm with you. I still think Bitcoin all-time high this year, much higher. So 140 plus.
What about Fartcoin?
You have some Bitcoin in your portfolio. What's Fartcoin doing today?
750.
I mean, I told you what I thought you should do with Fartcoin, which is to own JLP.
I am not with my keys.
Just have a levered Fartcoin trade on. It's probably not going to go that much lower. It's interesting that it's not even that much lower, right? Like, it's just holding on to this sort of 750 level. I don't think this is a $500 million meme. Like, the market would really fucking have to tank for that to happen, in my opinion. So I prefer it as a levered long to a spot long.
All right. Well, there you have it. Mando said Bitcoin all-time high.
Own some Bitcoin, guys. Just own some. Have you ever owned Bitcoin?
Yes, bro. We own Bitcoin puppets.
Apart from to buy ordinals, have you ever owned Bitcoin?
To buy ordinals, yes.
Let's change that.
Well, it's too late. Look, like 2 weeks ago when I was in Visa.
It's too late. It's at 108K. It's down 15%.
I was like port all-time high 2 weeks ago in the pool in Visa, chugging down a bottle of tequila and thinking about how amazing life is. Like literally port ATH, like higher than the Trump trade. And then here we are 50% lower today. I ain't selling my shit 50% lower to buy Bitcoin.
I didn't say it. Sell the upside. You can still keep the trade on par.
Yeah.
Right?
No, but there's also a lot of REKT in there. A lot.
Oh. Where's REKT?
I think my REKT back was way bigger than my fart back when I was in Visa. We're talking like I have like 2.5 trillion REKT, dude.
Yeah. That's nice.
It is not bad. 200 mil? Whatever. You know, this is a cup formation.
There was a lot of folks who wanted their entry in REKT. Here's your entry, right? Like it was, admittedly, it was very hard to enter REKT when it went straight up for 21 straight days.
Thesis unchanged. I mean, like, I wrote that today. Like I quote tweeted Ovi and I said the REKT thesis is unchanged. And I'm not just tweeting this to like bull post my bags, though you have to support your bags when they're down. Like guys, like you can't just bull post your bags when you're at the highs. You got to bull post your bags 50% down. Just a lesson for CT, but like. It's not like OV just stopped working because REKT is down 40 or 50%, right? So the thesis is unchanged.
Yeah, if anything, it's just gotten stronger.
Probably.
But what I do think is that we said it like a few days ago. Everyone's willing to throw away and say this is the end of this run for some unknown reason. And I just don't see it. I don't see it.
I don't see it either. We've got Raoul Paul, one of our favorite perma bulls.
Yeah.
He's talking about total 3 and how it's ascending wedge here and just ready to break out.
Raoul Paul said Solana 1,000 Sol.
I'm not buying total 3x Ether Bitcoin. I'm telling you guys to buy Bitcoin. ETH, I think, is going to have a bit of a choppy period. I just think that because it had such a gargantuan run up, but you should buy it at some stage.
Mm-hmm.
But just stick to majors. Stick to majors. JLP is like the perfect trade.
Yeah, no, it is. You're right. I mean, JLP is the perfect trade. Like, I remember that one time I was in JLP for a week and I felt amazing. Like, I slept like a baby.
That's the 1 week.
And then it wasn't degen enough, so you had to like get out of it. You were like, oh no, I need to borrow against it on Camino and buy far.
I'm true to my. I at least I'm being honest on the record. Like I'm a little too. Tell me I'm too degenerate. Don't tell me, but see, but I'm building something that I think will be worth a lot of money. But if you're not building, if you're just trading, like you got to be safer. Like I just take bigger risks.
We're back to building things, are we? We're back to
health and wellness. Health and wellness and building, you know. Oh, man.
I love those stages of the market.
Well,
focused on health right now.
It's not a stage for us, but I know what you mean. You know,
we start valuing what our companies are worth. Yeah, I think he's probably worth like $1 billion.
Yeah, exactly. Wait, so my net worth on paper is how much?
I think it's probably about $1 billion. You know, plus I got the coin coming, so like.
You start counting your shekels. Yo, can I borrow Camino on my Myriad equity?
Now we're talking.
Now we're talking. I'm just kidding. Hey, Tyler, why don't you take us through the news yesterday? Like, it was still a barrage of couple wines. Positive.
Yeah,
news.
I mean, we hit the GDP coming on chain. The CFTC news is the other big one. Again, so they're the U.S. Commodities Future Trading Commission. New guidance for foreign firms, giving them a pathway to operate legally in the U.S. Basically saying previously under Gensler, regulation through enforcement, we're moving polar opposite away from that. We don't like that American companies were forced to set up offshore. We want American crypto companies back onshore. We're going to give you the regulatory framework to build legally and operate with confidence in this country. And Binance is probably like one of the big winners here, right? I think Binance coming to the U.S. But ideally we can just get
Binance have a U.S. on.
No, they didn't. There was one employee in America. Binance U.S. was one employee after the whole SEC stuff. They didn't really have a U.S. Yeah, bro. Like even lately, like Binance U.S. was like one person. Like it's not that big.
I know they don't think they do perps in the U.S., but I still think I always thought they were still operational, like
not that big.
I mean, they have like a website, but like there's for a while
not that big. Yeah,
you could do.
And I don't think you could trade. You could only like withdraw, right, or some shit. Or I don't know. At least in Canada, when they shut down Binance, it was like you only to withdraw your money.
Ideally,
or a Justin Sun coded tweet than a Binance tweet.
Yeah, that's probably a big part of it as well. And ideally just no more VPNs, and everyone will be able to use all these protocols.
Tired of taking flights, dude.
I have a dream, I have a dream in a world where crypto bros don't have to use VPNs.
Me too, brother. Me too. We have the same dream.
Where a man from the US and a man from the UK can log on to their crypto app.
Yeah, dude.
What a world.
I'm tired of responding. I mean, I don't really do it, but I'm tired of my team responding to tickets as per why you can't use Myriad in America.
Yeah, it is. But on a serious note, like it is a hurdle, right? There's going to be more users who will use protocols. They don't have to go through the VPN. Like it's a big one for a lot of folks. XPL, I don't know if you saw that, man. XPL is up like 30%, even amidst this carnage. So the plasma token, I don't know if this is more just like manipulation.
I think it's getting there, right? It's getting like people know they can. Like if I was just trying to have some fun, I'd just be bidding the fuck out of this thing. You know what I mean? Like people have really kept hedging, and they're just going to keep getting wrecked on this thing, and they're probably playing funding, and it's just the perfect trade right now.
Oh, it's annualized minus 124. So they're paying longs 124%.
Oh my god! Imagine that. Oh. It's just like like everyone's clamoring now for when are you going to do the airdrop? Like we need this out.
And then
This is something you have to be aware of on these hyperliquid. I think this is going to happen a lot, and it's going to open, and then it's just going to go straight down. Now, I think Plasma, I'm actually slightly more bullish on the World Liberty Financial because it's like Tethers, right? And Tether just has, or it's Tether backed.
right.
I don't know if it's the same. I know Tether's backing a lot of different things, but like they have untold amounts of money. So,
Didn't I see something about Tether today? Super bullish news with Bitcoin. They moved to Bitcoin.
USD, you can use Tether on Bitcoin. But
Yeah,
I'm not sure what for.
I don't know. So you can stable those runes you have.
Yeah, if you want to sell your runes to Tether now instead of Bitcoin, you can. So there's more exit liquidity perhaps coming for folks down bad.
Man,
where is Pups? It's been a couple of months, hasn't it? It's been a couple of months since we brought
every
it up.
cycle, man. Every cycle, dude. Like I'm the type of guy, you know the meme about like your first cycle, you use it all. Your second cycle, you make a lot of money and you lose quite a bit. And it's a third cycle, you make it. I think it's gonna happen to me, man. I'm gonna have to wait my third cycle.
Yeah.
I don't know, boys. 7-figure hell.
You aren't exactly learning much from each cycle, I would say.
Shut up.
You're just
Dude.
max risk.
No,
for
it's
every
not.
cycle.
I'm just, you know what? I'm a genuine diamond hand redacted individual. I mean, I held $1 million pups and Bitcoin puppet position. 1 million. Oh no! Look at that.
Look at this trading. Look at this trading volume.
Oh yeah, dude. Bullish runes, dude. Runes Asia was just on happening right now in Hong Kong, dude. Didn't you see it? They were talking on stage. Super bullish, bro. Yo, dog is listed on Kraken, bro. Come on, man. Like, dude, the
boy.
Kraken CEO is bullish on fucking runes.
Oh boy.
0.01 Bitcoin of
Pups
volume.
to ups. Remember when Rune Coin was supposed to be the future of like Bitcoin?
Oh, I remember well.
Yo, we're mining. Mining.
Down about 97% on my position.
Dude, let's go, baby. Up only.
Let's go, baby.
Oh yeah, look at that. See, that chart is forming a 17th cup so that it can make an 18th handle.
That does seem like broken cup 17 handles.
Yeah.
What's worse about this
looks like this Lily Phillips of cup and handles.
Look at all these like brief glimpses of hope where it started to like curl off.
Every time you saw a little glimpse of hope, someone pulled up my tweet about runes dying. And it was like Farouk is bottom signal. And somehow we went lower.
Every single one of those has been brought up on the show. No doubt.
One of those, Bongo.
No doubt it comes up on the show.
Every single one of those. Bongo has a screenshot posted for every single one of these pops.
You're gonna regret it.
Not only was it brought up, it was probably a feature.
Oh, for sure.
First 10-15 minutes of the show.
Where are those SPX targets doing now? About to go sub 1 bill.
Actually,
SPX is not performing well. SPX is really struggling.
Where is MYRIAD?
This is one bag. I'm very bad at cutting bags. I actually cut this one around $1.60, and it's not looking as good.
Where's the pulse at?
Do we do price targets on the way down or just on the way up?
Only when I'm holding and on the way up. Much less.
What are we doing price targets on now? Like, what are we doing? What are we doing?
I don't have a whole lot of interesting things right now.
No.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah, just MYRIAD, dude. MYRIAD markets, farm your points, tap into Rockreader NFTs.
Any markets on MYRIAD equity value? Can we give our different predictions for MYRIAD equity value?
We can. Do you want? Should we?
Let's all bid it up. 500 million. No,
the last one I saw was 480. So we can.
What is MYRIAD gonna open at?
Yeah, there we go. We need more of this. You know,
when the foundation decides to finally TGE, what is MYR token opening at?
You can't say anything, but I can just say whatever the hell I like.
I can say what I want. I'm not the foundation. I'm a core contributor.
I've already seen the threads tying it back to the rug token, and
I know. I was asked to stop talking about this. They're silencing me.
They're silencing it. They can't silence all of us. I do see like some fun new college football markets on Myriad. How about that?
Kalshi's cooking, Myriad's cooking, Polymarket's cooking. Like all jokes aside, like just do something during this lull and like go predict. Like genuinely, I'm not even kidding. Like yeah, we have football markets. Look at that, just for you, Tyler.
Yeah. How about this?
Yeah, football market. You were
These
about to go.
are
You
direct
guys have no
games. These
idea,
are-
man.
Yeah.
One more glass of wine. I'm telling you all the alpha on air. I'm kidding.
Oh, how about
but
this? Remember when I gave the alpha for this football.fun market?
You were right.
Over 40 million?
Hey,
It was
but that link
30
one,
39.9 million this morning with 3 days left.
Link got us.
that link one ain't so good anymore.
Yeah.
Well, what was it? October 10th.
September, we have
one
time.
more, one more time.
Oh, we've got time.
Go to the link
What's
market.
I heard- Oh, now you can get 3x on your money.
No, we have a
Oh.
crazy one. You know what we have? Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, that's interesting. 3 to 1.
What's this link at right now?
23.5, roughly.
Okay, so you need a
September 10th. You got 12 days. Last
7%
day, 12 days.
move. You get 3x on your money. I kind of like that.
There's the other one. Bitcoin 125 and 105 first. I love
Yeah.
that market. It's our second highest volume market on Myriad right now. It's like pumping like crazy. That you should pull up that chart, dude.
Let me try to find it.
Schizophrenia.
I mean, 105 is
Go
probably
to the
the.
top. Go to the top. Go to the top. Go to the top. All the way up, and then go by volume.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Yeah, it's second one. Check this out, bro. Check that. You can go. You get like 4 to 1 on predicting 125 before 105.
I mean, 105 looks good here, right?
No, dude, we're gonna bounce here. This is the bottom.
I think this is correctly priced.
What do you think, Mando?
Ooh, it's a good market.
It's a great market. Plus, there's
I
so much volume.
mean, 105 is like this, like very, very strong point of resistance on the chart. So I would guess we might hit that first. I'm gonna guess we hit that first.
So it has to drop to or below 105,000 even.
Feels like the sort of thing we bounce very hard off. Do you know what I mean? So
Who let this
I would-
guy on the show?
Sorry.
All right, can I go back to drinking?
You know what's crazy about this market is that, so, I mean, Bitcoin hit what, 124.5? Like it was damn close to resolving.
Oh shit, it's true. No, we love
Correct.
this market. Like behind the scenes, like we're loving this market.
I'm
It's
seeing
amazing.
124.6. So I mean, that is wild to have come
Yeah.
within 0.3% of resolving now. Good chance it goes the opposite way.
I would
No.
love for it to bounce like 106, Tyler, and just go back to 120. Like it's
No,
amazing. I love that.
105.3. Bounce off 105.3. Like let's see the 105 handle.
It's such a good market. Yeah, it's so good. The chart's like art. We should like mint those in NFTs.
People love this Pingu market too, right? This has done a ton of volume.
Yeah, it's volume because it's like on the no side of things being farmed a little bit. Like the hype, like the bonk one. But we have some good stuff. Like the ETH one's nice also. 5 or 35. That's just like the Bitcoin one, right?
And that does feel like a coin flip, which is also crazy because it was 49.40.
Oh, was KBM right?
What's KBM? Wasn't he long Sol last time I checked?
Still like this whole one, by the way. Sol's outperforming.
Sol is looking so. I'm so bullish on Solana, but people hate to hear that. But I've been saying it forever. Like Solana's gonna come back. We're gonna have another meme season. Well, everyone says memes are
I
bad.
tweeted it today. Sol beating everyone in Dex revenue again by like 50% margin.
Dude, pull up the Sol ETH chart. Everyone was dancing on the Sol ETH grave. Pull that chart up. And you know I love ETH. I'm an ETH bull too. But people need to stop like being one or the other. Like this is a lesson for people listening. Like you can't just be Sol or ETH. It's up like 15% in a few days. You know? You can't just be one. Go to full chart. Go to full chart. We bottomed that on the show, Mando. Go to full chart.
I'm just saying.
You can't just be one or the other, man. Like Mando and I and you, like we said, guys, like Solana is not consensus again. People are hating on it. It says at 4,800. Be careful. Bang. You know? Clockwork. And I don't even trade our show. I'm so stupid. I hate money. I hate money. I hate money.
I do think there's a little bit of concern out there that Tom Lee bought another billion in ETH this week and it's down. And I remember Udi coming on, and his primary ETH bear case at all-time high was that there's a lot of ancient whales, a lot of ancient ETH whales to churn through.
Udi hates ETH well.
He does. He's biased.
Like they're on a bunch of Bitcoin whales as well, man. Like,
well, his point is that the Bitcoin whales have been getting chewed through for.
This is true though. ETH got to go through ETH has got to go through their like cycle of like ancient whales dumping. The thing is, the foundation's been dumping on us forever already.
Foundation doesn't actually own a crazy amount. It would be the whales.
I don't know. Anyways,
should we give some money away?
Let's give some money away. I do have to go back to the wedding shenanigans.
How's our real quick? How's our Built for Big Moments leaderboard?
Oh yeah.
How many days left?
This is our final day to show it, right? Built for Big Moments.
Guys, so builtforbigmoments.com. Use the code FOMO Hour on YEET. All right. We're giving the full $19,000 to the top leaderboard. Not top. We're gonna figure it out, but we're giving the whole thing.
We've got a big lead. We've definitely got a big lead. 700K lead, but we need this to be like a
go to final. Hit the final on top.
Final on top.
Yeah.
I think, and we're gonna split it, but based on volume as well. So like, make sure.
Final. There you go. Based on volume. Yeah.
Or to some extent, based on volume, right?
We're gonna give you guys money back.
It's big. We got a nice little lead there. So let's finish strong, folks. Let's finish strong.
Wait, Dad, I don't think we have enough money for 2 winners today in the account. Hold on.
Let me check.
Let me connect. Because yesterday we played for someone. Oh wait, I was logged out. Fuck. Hold on. FOMO Hour. So we have 2 winners today. One's a subscriber, which I know the winner, and the other one, Charlie, you should pull up. We have enough for 1 person. We're missing $500. We have 561 in the account.
Okay.
So the winner for the subscriber is, and you're never gonna guess, and I was super happy to see this. We did it with ChatGPT, picked a lucky sub. The winner for the subscriber is J6. J6C6. Congratulations. Thank you for subscribing to us. You win. Sam's ran a little motion through ChatGPT, blah blah. Give me a number between this and that, and you won. I really want us to do this on screen so you guys don't think that there's anything going on, but you got to trust us. Like, we're doing all automated behind the scenes. Charlie did it. We always have like someone to witness it. And J666, congratulations. We're going to do, oh, you're here. Amazing. Well, J6, pick Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, Doge, one of those. And then we're going to put the rest on Farcoin. And Charlie, let's go, baby. Let's spin that wheel. Let's get some coin raise going.
Let's spin it.
I can't see it spin. Oh, Bino! Let's go. What's Bino's username?
Bino Glory.
Bino Glory, congratulations. Bino Glory, is he here? J6, what are you picking?
Yeah, start thinking about this, right? So you win $500 and you get $250 on fart, $250 on a coin of your choice.
Yeah. There you go. Well, 2 people
Solana.
actually get that.
I'd be running out Soul Fart combo today.
Yeah, that's a nice barbell.
It's you pick. Should we do it?
Yeah, you did. You picked it just now, so we're doing that. Where's Bino? Did you guys see Bino? I'll do J6 in the meantime. Woo!
Yeah, if you're with us.
Papa's just deposited some money in our account. That was quick. You guys have the fastest deposits, dude. It's actually insane.
Bino, I am not seeing Bino.
If Bino's not here, he loses. Bino Glory, while I do this game, you better show up. Charlie, can you check in the kick chat directly, please? Not the StreamYard, if he's here. Because if he's not here, I mean, we're going to reroll. Come on, my Wi-Fi is really bad. Come on. Oh, it's taking forever. Hold on. Fuck. Bino! Guys, we're going to have to respin soon. If Bino's not dude, looks like we're re-rolling. I'm not seeing Bino.
We're re-rolling. Re-roll.
Guys, can you guys see my screen? Wow, this is
You can
really
maybe
bad.
while Farouk.
Let me turn my Wi-Fi off. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so let's do J6. Oh, you guys won't be able to hear today because I don't have my Rode. In the meantime, Charlie, get ready. Just re-roll in the background and then share your screen after this to who won. Yeah, Final's not here.
That's sad.
All right,
Oh,
so
wait.
Solana, right? We said Solana.
Oh, great. Okay, so we just missed the Doge win. That's good. All right. Sol and Fart, 39x, 5x. All right.
39x. All right. This sounds like there's enough RTP.
This is
Like it's not
J6.
too high.
Yeah, these are like
J6.
doable odds.
Here we go.
Come on, J6. Let's
It
go.
sounds like it's 39x. Therefore, Mando will let Farcoin win because when it's like 80x, you know, it doesn't
Yeah,
hit.
you know we're not winning with ADX.
Yeah. All right. And J6, congrats. You already won $500. So, and then you can already start re-rolling because I don't think Bino Glory is here.
All right.
Damn.
All right.
Oh.
Oh, all right. He's out. Oh, Bitcoin's out.
Oh, this
Solana,
is going to be a good one.
Solana.
Come on.
Go.
Solana.
Let's go.
Solana.
Let's go.
Yeah. Let's go. Nice win, J6.
Fuck yeah. Come on, man. Come on,
baby.
man.
We picked that one for him. Let's go.
Dude, that's a big fucking dub. Well, Bino's not here, so Charlie, pull up your fucking wheel. So wait, he won 1188 and another 500, right?
Yeah. $1,700.
All right, Dub Trader, congratulations. Dub Trader, are you here? By the way, that means J6 just made like $1,700, no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
1700 roughly.
Woo! Fuck yes. Yes. That was sick.
It's very
Yo,
unclear if J6 is watching. Like, he's not sure if he's won. His comments
J6
are
so
hilarious.
funny. So who's the reroll winner? Fuck yeah, I want. No, that's the old one. Who's the new winner?
I didn't see it.
I think
No.
J6 deserves it because he's still doing the
Yeah.
burpee challenge. You know,
God bless.
Wait, Dob Trader. It was Dob Trader. Where's Dob Trader at? Is he here?
Okay, Job Trader 24.
Man, are you guys really not here live? Like, are you kidding me?
Yeah,
Like,
it's,
are you
good.
guys not
It's
here?
9:45. We're not even asking to stay past, or it's 10:45.
Dude, we're like being nice right now. We're
you're not
Dude.
watching the show on Friday before holiday weekend.
you're not watching the show on Friday before Hall.
The market dumps. You're not tuning.
Are you kidding me? We're gonna reroll.
That's a
for
skill issue.
second.
That's a skill issue right there.
I mean, Charlie, rules are rules.
Come on, guys. All right.
You guys
I'm
know
not
you gotta
saying-
listen to the show live. You don't listen live, you don't fucking win. Rules are rules. I feel like I know the Dob Trader guy, but wait, I am here.
All right.
Pick me.
We're rolling.
Gorlock Destroyer. Holy shit. What kind of username is this? Gorlock DD. Oh, I
Gorlock.
see. Oh shit, I see the first guy.
Oh,
Bino Glory.
Binos. Oh no, Bino.
Too late, my friend.
Too
We
late.
don't. Too late.
We can always give it back to him next
The
week.
internet
Gorlock is
glitch.
here. Gorlock is here. Gorlock is here. Gorlock. Don't worry, Bino. We can take care of you another way.
Yeah, Bino. We'll sort you out, Bino. Don't worry.
We'll sort you out. Don't worry. You're here. We get it.
You guys are too
Gorlock,
nice.
you're good. Gorlock,
Internet
you're, yeah, no
is
way.
age old. It's an age old, that one.
Yo, Gorlock, pick a coin. 'Cause I really got to run back down. Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, or Dogecoin.
Yeah, all right. Pick it. Come on, Gorlock. Let's go.
You guys
Pick
let
your
me know
coin.
what he picks.
ETH.
Wow,
Good
this,
pick. Good pick. All right.
What do you pick?
ETH. 250 on ETH. 250 on Fartcoin.
All right, we gotta wait for this race to finish.
All
right. Okay, but he's here. He's like freaking out that he won. There you go. Okay, I see the other guy that had one
Oh, the
earlier.
race-
I mean, you
the
took
race
2
first.
hours to come. Oh, it's there. Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Oh, 68.
4x on ETH. 69x on Fartcoin. Come on, give us the
69X.
69, man. No, come on.
Yo, tune
69X,
up that RTP.
right?
Tune up that RTP, man.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, baby. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's
We're
go.
live.
Let's
We're live.
go.
We're all looking good. We're all looking good.
That's
Okay.
not bad. I like
up,
that. It's a sleeper.
Hanging out.
It's
Fart's
a-
hanging out.
Oh!
Up, Fart's out. ETH.
Eat,
Money.
no.
Up.
Oh,
Dogecoin,
no.
10x.
Dang, Doge hit
we
a few
hit both
times.
one. Look at that. 10x. Damn.
Sorry, Gorlock. You still walk away $500.
And Mando, 10x, that's not a bad hit. Well, congratulations. So Gorlock won $500. J6 won $1,700. So that's a big day on the show. Guys, we will not be live on Monday. It is a holiday. Thank you for understanding.
Thank you for understanding.
Thank you for understanding. Tuesday, I won't be here. I'll be on a plane. Thank you for understanding. But your boys will be here. And with that, the show will be back Tuesday morning, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the episode from our Unrock Radio. Let's go.